Yo, what's happening, one and all? I want to dedicate this video and give a shout out to Daniel Progress. Do apologize if I incorrectly pronounce your name. I gotta wait my turn to go. Yeah. It's a wonderful test. A test indeed on a bicycle, riding along, called the Muff. And that's what I made. We can call this the golden hour because the sun's up. It's an hour later, and yeah, hang on, I gotta watch out for cars. And my bungee doesn't hold my RC plane, as you can see right there. Remember the movie again, Shaft? One of these houses, man, that's where Shaft was filmed. When Samuel Adams, he gets confronted by the two big brothers and the sister. The mother opens up the door, and sure enough, they grab the sister and they go to a safe house. Yeah, this is where it was filmed, right about here. I have to lower my standards now to HD 1080p at 60 frames per second because YouTube no longer does 2K7 video for quality. I noticed all my videos recently, and I went back even a year, no longer 2K7. Did you know that? Yeah, it's either 4K or 1080p or 1440p. We're going to go more into the center of the park and get on with my RC flying and just enjoy my new camera. A nice calm day, one of the last warm days. We'll head towards the other way so we don't have the sun in front of us. I don't have a lens protector, film protector on my camera, and that is one good suggestion and advice from Daniel Progress. So let's simply toss that bad boy up, go have a beautiful flight. I don't have a silicone cover either, and I do appreciate the kind gesture that was offered from the gentleman. And yeah, I don't know, I may take him up on the offer and check your PM on the hub. Let's go into the sun so you guys get an idea what the Hero 8 can do. I can't see, actually, it's blind to me, that's how bright it is. And I do gotta face away from the sun. Hand catch. Time to get out of here and say thank you very much for watching. See you all next time. Please let me know if you liked the video and tell me what you need to have improved just a little bit. Oh, I'll take care of that for you right now. Have a great day all. See you on the next one.